Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to watch YouTube videos without any ads on them. And actually it takes ads off pretty much everything, so whatever website you're on that usually has ads, it will remove them completely, as well as keeping all your browsing history and stuff private. There's also a Face ID lock as well if that interests you. So it's a really great app, and I'll show you how to download it today. So you just open up your app store and you want to search for an app called Private here, and it's just the first one here, Private Browser. You want to click download on that application. Once it's downloaded, you just want to scroll over to it and open it. I'm going to show you guys what it's all about and how it works. So everything you search is cleared from your history. There's no history being tracked at all. You can search for YouTube here, click on YouTube, and then I'll just click on a random video and show you that the ads are removed on a video that would normally have ads. So something like this right here. And you see it loads here without any ads whatsoever. It's a really great tool. So if you go down to the bottom right here, you can see that there's a More tab here, and you can see that the ad block is currently being on, what search engine you're using, and you could also add your passcode lock right here as well, with a text code, a pass number code, or Face ID. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.